I'm Snow, and this is Gas and Go. All right, welcome to another episode of Gas and Go with Snow. First of all, Jackson, thanks for taking the time to do this, because so far, this is my favorite car out here right now. But, so tell me what we got right here first. I mean...
Yeah, so what we have here, this is a 1958 356A Porsche Speedster.
Yeah.
It has been totally restored about 7 years ago.
Okay. Well, you know what? When I looked at this, I couldn't believe how, I mean, literally this thing looks perfect. I mean, we were talking about the doors, and clearly whoever hung this door was meticulous about the spacing, and the paint looks near flawless. I mean, how long did it take to build it?
It took the guy about 30 months. He had it restored in a specialty shop in Texas.
Okay, yeah.
And he spent about 300 grand restoring it.
Wow.
It is a matching numbers, all the doors fit, deck lid, trunk. This is the way it was delivered from the factory in the colors, silver and red. So
factory style interior, right? And I mean, even down to the carpet, that is pretty impressive.
Refurbished,
and I noticed like the gauges, all original stuff. So those original gauges just refurbished.
That's correct. That's correct.
And the wheel, I mean, that is classic right there. The steering wheel. And then is this a 4-speed?
It is a 4-speed. Yep.
Okay. And then, so I also noticed that under the hood, man, this has got to be one of the cleanest engine compartments I've ever seen. Yeah.
So it only has 250 miles on it since it was restored in 2017.
Really?
Yeah.
So I'm guessing you don't get it out much.
No, I don't get it out much.
All right.
No, try to keep it clean, keep it in the garage.
Yeah.
Take it out, polish it up once in a while.
Okay, so now tell me a little bit about, I mean, clearly this is a very expensive piece. What attracted you to this one? How did this guy come to you?
Yeah, so I've always been kind of a Porsche guy. I mentioned earlier my dad had a 356 when I was 16 years old, so I just started out loving the Porsches. I spent a long time looking for the right car. I wanted matching numbers. I wasn't really so interested in a show car. I wanted something I could drive.
Something you can enjoy.
Yeah, something I could drive. I didn't want to, wasn't going to be a daily driver or anything like that. But, online, just searching, probably took me 10 years to find the right one. Yeah. Originally, I wanted a black one.
Okay.
But over the years, I started looking at the silver and the red, and as a classic, iconic, German-engineered Porsche. Kind of fit.
I got to tell you, I think I like this way better than the black.
Yeah.
I mean, this, yeah. And then now, a couple of things that we were talking about here. Check out under the hood here. And what the average person is not going to notice is there's only one big lug that holds that wheel on.
That's right.
So where does that come from?
Yeah, so these are factory finished Rudge wheels. That are date coded 58, so they are matching numbers with the car. Yeah. And pretty rare.
So the wheels had their own, like period correctness as well.
Correct.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
And so now that you say that, I've never really noticed if, like the other ones I've seen, because I feel like the replicas I've seen have lugs.
They do. The replicas are pretty good. Yeah. Yeah. It would be hard for the naked eye to tell. Okay. But in the book I have over there on the back of them, and they're all date coded with 58. Okay. Yeah. So you can tell that they're original wheels. So they're vintage wheels that go with the car.
Okay. Well, hey, you know what? This thing is, like I said, it is near flawless, and it is a beautiful piece. All right. Hey, thanks again.
Yeah. Thank you.
Enjoy the show, and we'll see you guys next time on Gas and Go with Snow.